So, right about now, you may be asking yourself, well, what is an analytics portfolio? This functions as a interactive opportunity for you to show off who you are as a professional. Resumes are a snapshot that's static. So, if a hiring manager is looking at that, they can see just a snapshot. But if you send them a portfolio, they can see a narrative. They can see how you think about data, what data you've interacted with, and then also they might even be able to interact in real time with the UI that you build out on a Tableau or Power BI dashboard. So there are a few different ways that you can build out a portfolio. I would say the easiest way is by creating a Tableau public portfolio page. You can also build out a dashboard within Power BI. And on the complete opposite end of the spectrum here, we have portfolio websites. So in other words, analytics portfolios exist on a spectrum. On the easier end of the spectrum, you have very simple interactive dashboards on Power BI or Tableau. Now, on the complete opposite end of the spectrum, you might have a robust website that you've designed by hand and coded, and then also included detailed coding analyses of major data sets. What is the difference between a resume and a portfolio? They essentially function the same way, but you can make the same argument about cars. I would say a beat up Toyota Camry functions just as good as a brand new Rolls Royce. And I would say the resume is more on the end of the beat up Toyota Camry, and your Rolls Royce of personal branding in the analytics space is your portfolio. So your resume is just a snapshot in time. So you can list out who you are, the different experiences you've had, maybe some skills, but it's just static. If you have a portfolio, it's showing that you are building up projects on your own time, and the hiring managers can go in and interact with the work that you've done. They can pull up your website, they can pull up your Tableau public page, and they can click around, maybe use some of the filters that you've created to uncover insights on their own. There are a ton of benefits to building out an effective portfolio. Number one, it gives you an opportunity to expand your analytics hard skills. You can learn a new platform by choosing that platform to host your next portfolio piece. And finally, an effective analytics portfolio gives you a conduit to root your conversation on in an interview setting. So instead of telling an analytics expert about the sales dashboard that you've done in the past, you can go ahead, flip that bad boy up, and start using it to analyze data. This is why building out a portfolio is such an effective tool in growing your analytics career.